So the first method to enable multiple access for different users is a very easy one. It's called space division multiple access, and the implementation is very easy. So you have different spaces which are separated from each other, and here you have, for example, different transmitters, and the transmitters are so far away from each other that they do not interfere. So a receiver here only receives the transmission of transmitter 1, but does not receive the transmissions of the other transmitters. And this is a very easy implementation of multiple access. So each transmitter can use the same frequency, and all the transmitters won't interfere with each other. This works in many situations. So imagine that you have a telephone network with wires, and you can now interpret these spaces with different wires. So you can really have a bunch of wires. So this is, for example, a big cable, and it contains many wires which are isolated from each other, and you can now use each wire independently. You can use this wire to transmit one signal and the other wire to transmit another signal. And the multiple access is guaranteed by the physical separation of the transmission channels, so that they do not interfere.